So, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Engineering Essence. So, today we are tackling one of the most popular lead code problem, best time to buy and sell stock. Title is here. So, it is an easy lead code problem. It is mentioned in the tag. So, we are given an array named prices. So, the prices I indicates that the price of a given stock on the ith day. Okay, so it means that whatever element it is present here, we can state that each element have price for these stage. Okay, so what we need to do with this data, like we have to maximize the profit by choosing a single day to buy one stock and choosing a different day in the future to sell the stock whatever we have bought. So we need to maximize the profit by achieving from this transaction whatever we do. And if there's no any profit we find in the array whatever given in the question, we have to return the zero. So we have the three key rules that need to follow to solve the problem. Okay, so the three key rules are like the first one, like we can only buy once and only sell once, mean on a same day we cannot do two transactions for buying and selling. Okay, the two transactions should be separate to each other. Okay, the second rule is like stating that we must buy whatever stock we want to, and before selling it. Okay, we cannot sell any stock before buying. Okay, and the third statement that is already mentioned here, like if no profit is possible then maximum profit should be zero. So these three key rule need to be followed to solve the problem. Okay, this. So let's move to the example, whatever it is given here. So let's say, okay, so we have the output as 5. How we will get this one? So let's say we have to buy a stock on a day. So let's say we buy the stock on the first day. So the price of the stock is 7 here. So if we buy here and we sell on any day, you can see the value is higher, whatever it is here. So we will never get any gain in any day. Okay, so we'll skip this day. We will buy the stock on the next day, like when the price is 1. So if we buy this one here, then if we sell, means let's say in the next day we sell, we will get a profit of like 4. Okay, 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. So okay, so 4. So we need to check whether on which day we get the highest profit, because the problem is already saying like we have to get a maximized profit. So let's say we sell the stock on the next day like 3, when the price is 3, then we get the profit as 2. Okay, and we sell the stock on the this day where the price is 6, we get the maximum profit is 5. Okay, the buying price is 1 and the selling price is 6, we get the maximum profit is 5. And we sell the stock on the this day where the price is 4, then we get the profit is 3. So maximum profit in which day we will get, like when we sell, when we buy the stock on this day, like when the price is 1, and the selling the stock on this day when the price is 6. So this only pair will give the maximum profit. Okay, so that's why we what we have, like when we uh, buy on that day 2, means the price is 1 at that day, and we sell the stock on day 5, means the this price, then we get the profit like 5. What really I can say. Okay, so guys, the approach we are going to use to solve this problem is two pointer approach. Okay, so here I have mentioned some information here, so that it can be like easy to understand the problem. So I have mentioned that the indexes, whatever index we have for the price, the example that I've taken is the first example, whatever it is present in the question. So this is the example, this is the indexes, and I'm going to use two pointers, so I have taken I and j here. Okay, and also I mentioned the max profit, which is like equal to the price j and the price I. Okay, and whatever the calculation it would be like stored in the max profit. Okay, so so guys, what we are like going to do, like we have like I and j here. Okay, so we are first check the while iterating the whole array, we are first checking that the prices of I is less than the prices of j, means the buying price should be less than the selling price, because we need to find the profit, we need to maximize our profit. So we need to check this condition first. If it is not, then what we will do, we will increase the index of the buying day and buys. Okay, and the selling day as well. So we will increase this one, buy and selling day. So the next buying day is like here the one, and the selling day is like this one here. Okay, so here we can say that the buying price is less than the selling price, so we will proceed to the next step. Our next step is to like check the difference of this selling price minus buying price. Okay, it should be like greater than whatever we have max profit already. Okay, so initially we have like max profit as 0, so let's say we have max profit which is equal to 0. Okay, so it will check whether it is greater than the profit what we gain in this pair or not. So we get the maximum profit here, we get the profit like 4, 5 minus 1 in this one. Price is j minus price is I, mean it will yield as 4. So we will it's greater than the 0, right? So we will store this in the max profit like 4. Okay, next we will move only the jth index, not the ith one, because we have already in this case like 1 and 3 we have already the condition like price j is less than price I. Okay, sorry, price j is greater than price I. So in this case we will pass the first condition, and then we check the price j minus price I, whether it is greater than the max profit or not. So we can say that 3 minus 1 is 2, it is not greater than the 4 whatever it is already present in the max profit. Okay, so that's why we will skip this one and like increase the jth index. Okay, and after that we get like 1 and 6 here. So we will calculate the profit. We get like 5 here. So 5 is greater than the stored profit, so we will update this one. Okay, suddenly we move to the like this one index. So we will get the profit as 3, like 4 minus 1 is equal to 3, which is less than, which is again less than the max profit whatever we have. So in this so the iteration will move only till this one, like j is reached to the end of the array, and will exit from here. So by this way we will get the max profit is 5. And we have already the max profit is 5 for this question. So yeah, this is the algorithm that we are going to follow. So guys, we are going to use two pointer approach to solve this problem. So I'm taking two pointers like here I and j, which is nice, it is initialized as 0 and 1. And also I'm going to take max profit to store the max profit in it, and then slash it as 0 here. Okay, so let me apply an iterator here. So while uh, it should be goes to like the j is reaching to the length of the prices array, till then we have to iterate it. So len length, and then what we need to do, we are going to check whether the selling price selling price is greater than the buying price or not. So first we need to check, we need to apply a condition here like the price of like buying should be less than the price of the sell. Okay, means I and j, the buying price, the selling price index. Okay, so we will take like this one. So price is I, price is j. So in this case only we will do something, and the else part, like the else part should be like this one, I is equal to j. Why I'm keeping this one, why I'm keeping this one, because let's say I'm taking example using this example. So what we have like this one. Okay, let's say I'm modifying some variables here. Okay, okay, so in that case what we can see, let's say if I is equal to 1 and j is equal to 2. Okay, in this case what it will happen, it will gain a profit of 1. But 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 once it is like goes to the j is goes to 3, j is goes to 3. So in this case we can see the ith value. Okay, the ith value is, mean the buying value is greater than the selling one. So we will not keep it as this one, because if we get smallest price in the array, we have to pick that price for buying. Okay, so we need to pick this one directly. Okay, directly the buying price. Okay, so that's why I am putting the j where it is getting the greater value. So directly putting the I value to j, so that we get the smallest buying price for the stock. So that's why I'm doing this one. Okay, so this one, and we will continuously increasing our uh, and jth index. Okay, so like this one, I'm going to remove this one. Okay, in this so in this condition what we are going to do, we will check whether our profit is greater than the previously got max profit or not. So prices j and the prices I The difference of these two should be, if it is like greater than max profit, only then we will update the max profit value. Otherwise, we will not update the max profit value and update by this value whatever we get. So maximum profit, it ensures that we get the maximum profit always. Otherwise, this is the question, this is the solution, and we need to return the answer here. Return profit. So that's it, guys. This will solve our problem. So let's submit our solution. Okay. Let me check this. This will work or not first. So you can see our path cases it is like successfully executed and the pass the solution. Okay. So let's submit it. So guys, I have submitted the solution, and it passes all the test cases. You can see, and it is solved in 2 milliseconds in accepted solution. Okay. So yeah, this is an accepted solution. And guys, that wraps up today's lecture on the best time to buy and sell stock problem. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you again.